In 2008, dozens of people became ill after eating tainted meat from Maple Leaf Foods. A few isolated listeriosis cases soon became a massive public health problem, resulting in 22 deaths. What if the infection was detected sooner? Scientists at the National Research Council have created a new biochip that can detect infections quicker than ever before.
So this basically speeds up the response to a disease outbreak or food contamination outbreak.
Dr. Siegfried Jans leads the group of scientists who are developing this biochip.
The first responders and the people who have to deal with outbreaks of disease will know in 1 day instead of 3 days what it is, and then be able to come in with the appropriate treatments for it and possibly understand where the infection is coming from.
And now for an explanation of how the biochip works, here's your science break.
The base of the biochip is a piece of silicon. Running along it are more very thin threads of silicon. The silicon is treated with a process that targets a specific kind of molecule. For example, scientists might treat the silicon to attract only the molecules that mark a pathogen like listeriosis. When a sample is taken, only these specific molecules will stick to the chip. Light is then sent through the silicon strands. Any molecules that are attached will affect the speed of this light. So if the scientists see a change in the speed of the light, it means a pathogen has been detected. The silicon strands are so small that hundreds fit on a chip the size of this. The new chip can be used to check for bacteria in hospitals, food processing plants, and water sources.
The amount of oxygen that's being used in different parts of the eye.
Dr. Rajan Munger is a scientist with the Ottawa Hospital Research Institute. He is an expert in biotechnology.
So if we had the ability to be able to test on-site and within hours for the presence of these pathogens, we could act very, very quickly and cut these things into 1 or 2 incidents as opposed to outbreaks.
A working prototype of the biochip will be completed by March 2011. For Capital News Online, I'm Anita Lee.
There's the other fiber that couples the light out again.